Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present my project, my community service project, uh, with the title of Application of Dual Fuel System on Grass Chopper Machine to Improve Operational Efficiency of Farmer Group in Gunung Kidul. This project is done by me as the leader and assessed by Andika Wisnujati, Putri Rahmawati, Teguh Haryati, and my student, Altaf Andika. This project is in collaboration with Mr. Sunario from Universitas Sains Al-Quran and Professor Suyitno from Universitas Muhammadiyah Purworejo. First, I'd like to inform this project has partner the Sejahtera Farm. The Sejahtera Farm Group is a forum for some people of North Ngasem as a trigger for economic activity so that they are not passive. A small group with 10 to 15 members, the Sejahtera Farmer Group is engaged to in goat farming with local marketing target. Goat and sheep are small ruminant that have considerable potential to be developed in Indonesia as a source of animal product taken from meat and milk. The Sejahtera Farm have a problem. Number one, livestock management has problem in feed processing, especially enumeration. Homogeneous types of feed, especially for large grass types such as kolonjono or gajahan, must be chopped so that animal can consume optimally. So far, partner have carried out manual enumeration that is at risk of work accident and very limited enumeration result. The result is that the availability of feed is very limited and cannot be sufficient if there is an increase in the number of livestock. Modern feed fermentation technology that should be able to be developed has not been done so far due to limited insight from partner. And number two, in addition, the problem of partner lies in understanding how to use technology and its efficiency. So far, partner considered the procurement of grass reading machine or grass chopper machine to be very expensive and will increase operational costs. Even so, partner are in dire need to be able to manage more livestock. So the solution are first, the application of research result through mentoring and support to the North Ngasem Sejahtera Farm to use the grass reading or chopper machine with dual fuel engines, LPG and gasoline. And next, providing assistance in improving animal feed processing with fermentation technology. And the last, providing education related to standard operational procedure for the use of grass mowing equipment and the occupational health and safety concept. The method in determining the planning of a lawnmower, steps are needed that need to be systematically carried out. The steps are first, determining the number of goods business development target in 2025, and then calculation of the amount of feed based on the number of livestock, and then determine the proportion of combination of natural and fermented feed with a percentage of 90% forage feed and 10% fermented feed. Choose the capacity of the chopper engines and choosing engine capacity and implementing the dual fuel engine concept. Based on the result of the research that the use of full liquefied petroleum gas or LPG provide good efficiency. The engine applied will use the dual fuel engine concept, and the concept applied is shown in the picture. The picture is the concept applied dual fuel chopper machine. Okay, next the result. Look at the table. Table 1 shows the test result of the no load chopper engine within 10 minutes with an engine rotation of 1500 rpm, showing that gasoline fuel the consumption was 0.40 kilogram, and I'm sorry, 0.14 kilogram, while for LPG fuel was 0.08 kilogram. This shows that at the same round and time in condition without load, gasoline fuel consumption is more than LPG gas consumption. And the table 2, with the same test time scenario, the change at 3000 rpm shows that for gasoline fuel is 0.26 kilogram, while for LPG fuel is 0.18 kilogram. This shows that at the same round and time, gasoline fuel consumption is more than LPG gas consumption. Okay, so the conclusion. The application of the dual fuel concept in chopper engine has been proven to have a significant influence on its performance. The use of LPG fuel is able to provide enormous savings. It is proven that in 10 minutes of use, there are savings in operational costs up to 1,443 rupiah or 8,658 rupiah per hour. In addition, the level of exhaust gas emission when using LPG fuel is much lower, so that it is more environmentally friendly. However, in its application, the availability of LPG cannot always to be obtained, so the dual fuel concept is still very necessary. Okay, thank you for your attention. I'd like to thank to Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.